What's going on, guys? JSGC Vlogs here, and we're here for another video. This time we're going to be doing the Mandalay Bay room tour. We're staying in an upgraded room. It's costing an extra $25 per night, and we are in a resort room with a strip view. So I'll show you the view once we've got around to doing that to the video. I just wanted to make a couple of notes in case you've never stayed at Mandalay Bay before. So first things first, you see me use the room or card key. Looks something like that. Now when you go into the lift at Mandalay Bay, you need to clock it in. So you need to tap it like you do on the door on the lift, then select your number to the floor that you want to go to. And every time you go in the lift, you have to use these. So if you're not staying at Mandalay Bay, I don't think you're going to be able to use the lift. I don't know if they have stairs or not, but that's kind of just to keep everything to guests only. And also some rumours, some fake news basically that floats around. If you want to get to the pool, I've heard people say that you don't need a card key. I've heard people say that you can have one card key per 2 people. Fake news. If you're over the age of 14, card key 1 per person. So if you're staying in a room that's got 2 people in, you're going to need 2 card keys. If you've got a room that's 3 people, 3 card keys, 4 people, 4 card keys, etc, etc, etc. So that's that cleared up. The pool area, by the way, I'm not showing you the pool area because I don't like filming pool areas with people that are bathing, and it's kind of a bit private. But you do have to be a guest at Mandalay Bay to use the pool area. Now the pool area, absolutely excellent. Wave pool, incredible. A very quick lazy river too. I felt like the lazy river could be a little bit bigger because it's very enjoyable, and also several other pools too. Well worth it to use if you are staying here at Mandalay Bay, and the weather, which 95% of the time is absolutely superb in the desert in Las Vegas. So I'm going to show you the room now. This room, it's a pretty decent sized room if I'm honest. So you just come in. So there's the door, you just come in, you see me just coming through it. Now first thing you've got is a switch here, which is going to turn that light on there. So switch off, light off, switch on. There we go. We've got a big mirror, and I mean it's big. It's a pretty huge mirror. Look at the size of the mirror. It's a big mirror. Now, big up, I am on plug sockets and things like that. I like to keep an eye on where everything is. So first up, you've got 2 down there, just next to the desk. Desk is here when you first walk in with a nice comfortable rolly chair. We've got a lamp just here, so you switch the lamp on, it'll provide you a nice desk lamp. You've also got lamps here just next to the television again, which switches on. You've got another one over there. You've got a big, decent sized television right there, which I think is very good. And once again, I'm big up on the television being, I'll just stand in between the beds, right smack centre between the beds. Now we've got a few drawers here. So 1, 2, place to put your clothes, 3 and 4. And just here, if you open this one up, you've got a refrigerator. We'll open that up. Not our stuff, but it has been stocked. We'll add a couple of notes. If you're going to take anything out of this, as normal with any hotel room, you're going to get charged. Also, and it's unusual this, if you put anything in to the fridge, you get charged for that too, which I find incredible. Las Vegas is incredibly warm. You want to have a nice cool drink, you can't do that, otherwise you'll get charged, which I think is ludicrous in my opinion. Now we've got a coffee maker just here, and of course you've also got other stuff which again you'll be charged for. We've also got an ice bucket and a couple of wine glasses. There's the light. We've got the lamp on at this moment in time. We've got a couple of chairs just here along with a desk too. If I just pull you back to the television here, another plug socket right here. You've also got a reset button just there. You've also got some audio in, audio out, and video in plug sockets. You've got a HDMI cable if you wanted to use that stuff. You've got a couple of USB sockets just there, and I'm also seeing a network Ethernet cable to go into, which is very useful. Now I'll move you across to our strip view. So first things first, you've got some curtains which I've used overnight, which this one in particular is pretty difficult. I'll just try to demonstrate. It's as you pull it along, it starts to then get stuck, and it is quite an effort through pulling it back and pulling it forwards, but once you get used to it you'll be fine. You've also got a nice little curtain cover just there and just there. You've got ventilation just next to the window there and there, along with aircon. We've got ours set on 65. If you want to turn it off, just press the off button there and it's off. Turn it back on, press it again and put the fan on. So we've got it onto medium. You can set it onto high too, and it's blowing nice cool air. If you like fresh air, if you look just down here, you've got to push it forwards and it'll open. So I'll just push it forward just to show a point, and it then opens up a teeny weeny gap to let natural air in, and just push it again to shut it. Now for the view, very good this. So obviously we're looking at the Mandalay Bay sign there, as you've just got the drop off area right below us here. You also got some lovely decoration just there, and I'll just pan you across. So we've got the nice mountains there, and have a look at this view. Isn't it absolutely incredible? So just up here we've got the Mandalay Bay, we're facing the strip. So obviously we've got Luxor there, we've also got Paris right in the distance that you can see. I can see Excalibur, MGM Grand, New York. It's absolutely wonderful. Isn't it just brilliant? Right in the distance. I don't know if you can just pick up the black building there. You've also got the Cosmopolitan too. And this early morning, absolutely brilliant. I will put in a view because it's absolutely incredible at night. I did film it at night last night, so I'll show you the view at night right now. Right, back to me again. So we're on to the beds now. So excuse the mess with the beds, but we've got a couple of queens. Well, one queen just here, and we have another queen just here. Decent sized beds, comfy beds, nice pillows. Little on the small side for some other beds, but still very comfortable. If you've got two people sharing them, there is more than enough room. We just come here, we've got a bedside table, open it up, and as always in the United States, you have got the Bible just there. You've got areas to put more stuff. You've got a lamp just here. Check a note of this lamp, it's incredible. It's got just a switch just here, so turn it off, turn it on, and you've got a couple of plug sockets there. I found it unusual. I'm using a travel adapter, so I'm from the UK, so there's 3 pin going into 2 pin, and if I want to plug it in, if you just look at the struggle that I have to literally lift the lamp up like that to plug it in, and then it's obviously going to snap down onto the plug, so it's not really apprehendable for me. So if you're wanting to plug your phone in, for example, overnight, there is something else you can use. We've got a telephone just there, and right here you've got a clock, which it currently, if I turn it off, you'll be able to see the time, 8:47 AM. Now you can set a snooze on here, you can also set wake up alarms and everything, and just over here you have a USB socket to be able to plug in your phone charger so you can charge. Now I will add, on the other side of this bed here, there isn't a plug socket to be able to plug your phone in. I don't know why, but on this bed you could use the option for the alarm clock, but you've also got a couple of plug sockets just down here. Now over here we've got a couple of cupboards. Not a lot in this one, it's just literally a couple of clothes hangers and also that. And in this one over here, we've got a safe to be able to put a laptop in, passport and things like that. You've also got more hangers, an iron and an ironing board. So that's just a closet there, and this one just here will take you forwards to the bathroom. So we'll come in here, we've got a nice bathtub just here, nice and deep too, so it's good. We've got a nice walk-in shower just here. You've also got a couple of sinks, one there and one there, with some conditioner and shampoo and lotion and things like that. More plug sockets to either side, and a nice light up mirror, them 2 switches there, or what sets that. And last but not least, you've got the toilet area just here, and the door automatically shuts. To lock it, you just press that, to unlock it, just open it up again. So there we go, that's been the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions for me about Mandalay Bay, just leave it in the comments below. Make sure, if you're interested, subscribe, press the red button, and stay tuned for that. Don't forget, leave a big thumbs up, social media links in description below, and I'll see you all again soon. Peace, ciao for now.